If you're suffering from a redirect hack of any kind, you absolutely need to watch this video. Most videos or blogs about this are not made by certified security experts. Their incomplete information can waste your time or make this problem worse. Our team has protected more than 1 million sites over the last 10 years. In the next 5 minutes, this video will help you diagnose the damage, clean the hack, and prevent its return. I'd recommend you watch the full video before taking any action so that you're prepared for any new issues that may crop up while dealing with this and worsen the situation. Oh, and if you have any stress at this point, just take it and dump it because I'm in your team now. We're gonna fix this quickly and effectively together. Alright, let's begin. Diagnosing the damage. A redirect hack can be an awful experience. The difficult part is that it's actually an umbrella term for many different hacks, all of which have one thing in common: redirects. So what happens if a redirect hack gets into your site? Well, your site traffic can be stolen. You can be locked out from your own site. You could get blacklisted by Google, and your customers could be redirected to spam sites selling fake products or even adult content. What will this mean for your business? Apart from the bad user experience, which, let's face it, is bad enough, there is a huge impact on your website. Your SEO rankings will tank, your revenue will go down, your brand and reputation will suffer, and your visitors' data can be misused. Okay, here's the good news. We're gonna fix this. The important thing is to act fast because hacks get exponentially worse with time. That's why we've kept this video brief and concise, but also put together a great blog that covers the nuances of this issue. I'll leave the link in the description. It doesn't take long to read, but it's really helpful to give you a complete picture about everything. There are a bunch of variations of the redirect hack, and that means they show up differently on your site. Let's first figure out which variation of the redirect hack you have. Number 1, automatic redirects. This refers to the redirect which happens when someone clicks on your site in Google, visits it directly, or even when you get redirected when you try to log in. Number 2, link redirects. This refers to the redirect which happens when someone clicks on a link on your site and gets redirected to a spam page. This may be all the links or only some of the links. It may be on all the pages or only on some of the pages. It may happen all the time or only some of the time. Yeah, mobile only redirects. This refers to the redirect which happens when someone visits your website from a mobile device and gets redirected. There is one additional factor to consider here. Sometimes you will see redirects only once. This is because hackers have very smartly set up cookies to make sure you experience it only once. This is to lull people into a false sense of security. The next step is to confirm whether your website is hacked and how bad it is. There are a few different ways to determine this. You can try this manually, which takes time and can be a complex process. So we've added detailed steps in our blog, which is linked in the description below. But if you ask me, Julian, tell me the fastest and most effective way, I'd say, friend, use a high performance security scanner to scan your website. Why high performance? Well, because general site scanners will detect some variants of the malware but will miss others. This is because depending on the variant, the location of the malicious code can be in the database or files or both. You can use the MalCare scanner for free. I've added the link in the description. It's also really easy to use. Just go to MalCare, sign up, click on the scan button, and boom, it's going to scan every nook and corner of your website. As I said, it's free and detects even the most well-hidden malware quickly. Number 2, cleaning the hack. Alright, now it's time to get rid of this hack quickly and effectively. It's theoretically possible to clean your website manually, but I don't think that 99.99% people should try this. Most videos online will give you some steps to do this, but trust me, there's a lot of technical nuances here that will worsen your situation instead of improving it. I'll give you 3 quick reasons why. First, even if you're a WordPress pro with decades of experience, cleaning this manually won't be quick. It's going to take significant time, and every extra minute you spend on this, the hack will do more damage to your website. Now, you may wonder, why does it take time to find a hack manually? Well, because the hack could be hidden anywhere, which means you have to look at every file, every post, every page, and every link. Secondly, it's really complex to identify and delete the malware. It could be disguised as a harmless looking file or even be hidden in a fake plugin. The malware could also be obfuscated, which means that there are strings of unrelated characters in the code. This can be a double jeopardy because not all obfuscated code is bad. You could delete some good code by accident, which will render your site unusable. Thirdly, even if you somehow manage to remove the malware, you still have to fix the vulnerability or backdoor that led to the hack in the first place. Otherwise, the hack will come back. Fixing this vulnerability or backdoor is an entire challenge on its own. Even seasoned WordPress developers know that most hacks like this are difficult to resolve manually. But if you still choose to go down this path, please don't. Then at least take a backup. A hacked website is better than no website at all. You can use BlogVault to take your backup, and I wish you all the best. We do have an article to guide you through a manual cleanup, and I'll add that in the description as well. But if you're like me and want a quick and effective solution with no chance of a nightmare scenario, the best way to do this is to use MalCare's auto clean feature. I've tried almost all free and paid security plugins in the market, and MalCare, hands down, has the most powerful cleaner. The advanced system cleans out malware surgically from your website, leaving your site as good as new. And the best part is, all you need to do is click the cleanup button and bam! Your site is cleaned in a minute. MalCare is able to achieve what no other security plugin can because of its intelligent algorithm. This self-learning algorithm scans over 200,000 sites daily and keeps getting better. That's why it has uncomparable speed and precision in cleaning any hacks easily. So I definitely recommend giving this a shot. Part 3. Preventing a comeback. Alright, congratulations on getting rid of that malware. But we aren't done yet. There's a very important part left. You obviously don't want to experience this again, right? So here's 3 main things to do next. Number 1, install a security plugin with an integrated firewall. If you use MalCare to scan or clean up your site, you're already set. MalCare's firewall automatically gets configured to your site when you run your first scan. This is one of the best firewalls in the market. Number 2, change all passwords and review all user accounts, plugins, and themes. Make sure you aren't using any nulled ones, since they are one of the biggest reasons for getting hacked. Number 3, update everything. WordPress, plugins, themes. Just don't forget to take a backup first. That backup will protect you in case anything goes wrong during updating, which often happens. Try out Blog Vault, it'll keep you totally safe. Link for a free trial in the description. There's a few more things to do to further boost prevention, which we've mentioned in the blog linked in the description. But yes, these 3 steps have a great effect in reducing the chances of such a hack taking over your site again. Okay, if you're still watching and this video has been helpful, drop a comment below. I can help you with any doubts you may have about hacks or keeping your website safe. Or just say hi, tell me about your business. I like meeting new people. That's all for today. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I will see you again next week.